Hello, today I'm gonna use the Buchimgaru. This is a Korean pancake mix powder. So anything you can mix with using this powder. When you make a seafood pancake or kimchi pancake, any the Korean pancake, you can mix this powder any type, all type of the Korean pancake dishes and menus. And this pancake, you don't need any extra seasoning. This is everything include the seasoning, and then perfect combination of you can add some flour, or if you want to more crispy, you can add some more cornstarchy, and you can put everything, the vegetable or seafood, you can mix that all. But today I'm gonna use the kimchi. Kimchi is pickled vegetable, we call the kimchi, but today I'm gonna use the napa cabbage kimchi, and I'm gonna mix it with the vegetable, onion and scallion a little bit. So let's make together. First one, I'm gonna cut the vegetable a little bit. So I'm gonna cut the onion. And 3 or 4 branch of the scallion. It's up to you. You can cut the slice, or I'm gonna cut like the 3 or 4 cent size. That's it. Especially it's a raining day, we cook the pancake in Korea, because when we cook in the fry pan, when we cook the pancake, the sound like raining is dropping the sound. So when it's a raining day, we always enjoy the pancake. So I'm gonna use the kimchi. I just made it myself. This is homemade kimchi, but I just keeping very long time, so it's a little bit the sour. So if you don't like too much sour flavor, you can use for kimchi soup, kimchi jjigae, or like this kimchi pancake is perfect for using the old kimchi. I like kimchi very much. Most Korean people love kimchi. But if you don't like a too big size of the kimchi pancake, you can just cut or chopping the kimchi. But I like a big size kimchi, so I'm gonna use this. And if you think it's too much the big size, I'm very lazy people, so I'm gonna use the scissor. Because when you use the chopping in the whiteboard, maybe kimchi, the color is gonna put on the color board, gonna change, gonna red. So if you want to chopping your knife, you can just wrap the plastic wrap under the cutting board, or like me, you can use the scissor. This is for only cooking scissor. You can cut like this. You can just stir the pancake powder first in the bowl, or like me, you can mix the all stuff and mix together. It's not matter. You can buy the Karman food.com, or you can buy in the Asian market. This is very popular in Korea. It's ready for just the mix with the stuffing, the ingredient, the vegetable, and then you can mix with just the water or egg and cornstarch powder. Let's make it more crispy. So this is one bag is the 1 kilogram. So I'm gonna use almost half, 500 grams, and you can add, if you use the 500 gram, you can add 800 milliliter of the cold water. But it depends on about the, if you have a lot of the kimchi, the juice, you can mix together. That's gonna make a more red colorful, and the taste is better. But if you don't like too much the smell, you know, or if you don't like too much sour or the spicy or like juicy, you can use just only cold water. But I'm gonna mix a little of the juice. You can add chopped kimchi, and slice the, you know, the onion and scallion or any vegetable if you want. You can mix well, and just mix the batter. And I think I need a little bit more water. You can just pour the water little by little, you know. And if you want to more soft, you know, the taste, you can add some egg, 1 egg. And later, you know, kimchi is salty, right? So it's gonna comes out the water is coming out. So you can after mix the water, just check out not too watery. Don't make it not too watery, because if you too watery, after you cook, it's not too crispy. So I'm gonna add the vegetable too. And if you have too much sour the kimchi, just you can add a little bit of sugar in here, a little bit, because that's gonna make you know, the sour is the smell is gone. So you can mix well. You can, I like a spicy pancake, so I'm gonna add some jalapeno. I always make like a jalapeno, it's like a ice cube, you know. This is the jalapeno I chopped the last time, and then I can just mix. If you want to more crispy the pancake, you can use the ice water. It's more make a cold, you know, make a cold batter. After cook, it's more the crispy the pancake. You can enjoy. So I think it's enough. Okay, I'm gonna cook the kimchi pancake. You can add some oil. Any oil you can use, but I recommend the cooking oil, the canola oil or corn oil. You can make a small bite size or make a big size. I'm gonna make one big size first. Thinly and spread out the mix batter with sliced vegetable, you know, and keeping floating for 3 or 4 minutes. So you just spread down grill pan. Temperature is not too hot because of it's too easy to burn. So. Do you think if this is the cooking sound is like a raining drop sound? Raining day? Again, 3 minutes, flipping the 3 to 4 minutes and make it crispy. Okay. I think it's ready. Color is, looks delicious. So I'm gonna put on the plate. You can taste it, and then if you need some dipping soy sauce, you can make soy sauce and then the sugar and vinegar together. So I'm gonna taste first. It's good. I don't need any dipping sauce. It's enough for season. And especially this is very good combination with the Korean rice wine drink. We call them makgeolli too. So I'm gonna show you next time with the makgeolli, with or Korean drink. I'm gonna introduce next time. Okay, enjoy.
Bye bye.